Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to scan QR code in Google Lens. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to scan QR code in your Google Lens, all you need to do is simply tap open your Google Lenses app. So once you tap open the app itself, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply tap on the camera like icon. So once you tap on it, you need to scroll your camera towards the QR code scanner you want to scan. So once you have scanned the QR code, it will let you have a link that will appear on your mobile phone. So you need to simply tap on that link, and this will be a result that your QR code has been successfully scanned by your Google Lens. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.